To remove and install the battery on your Polaris Pro-RMK with a 3-inch track, follow these steps. Park the snowmobile on a flat, level surface and remove the key. Remove the side panel by releasing the rubber strap and turning the 2 quarter-turn latches. Pull the panel out and lift up to remove. Next, remove the 2 push rivets securing the lower right portion of the right console. Continue by removing the push rivet underneath, securing the right fender to the footrest. Next, remove the rubber battery strap. Then lift the battery cover up and out of the sled. Next, remove the negative battery cable first to prevent arcing and set aside. Then, remove the positive cable protector boot. Next, remove the positive battery cable and set aside. Lift the battery up to remove from the snowmobile. Clean out the inside of the battery tray with a clean cloth. If reinstalling the battery, ensure it is fully charged and free of any debris or damage. Follow the instructions in the battery charging section of your owner's manual before installing the battery. Next, carefully reinstall the battery into the snowmobile. Then, reinstall the positive cable first to prevent arcing. Torque to specification and reinstall the protector boot. Next, reinstall the negative cable and torque to specification. Apply a light film of dielectric grease or petroleum jelly to both terminals. Before reassembly, verify the cables are secure and properly routed. Next, reinstall the battery cover. Then reinstall the cover strap. Next, install the push rivet to secure the fender to the footrest. Continue by installing the 2 push rivets securing the lower right portion of the console. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the tabs at the bottom and top. Secure the rubber strap and the 2 quarter-turn latches. Finish by starting the snowmobile to verify the battery has been connected properly. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.